Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain why is Egypt impossible to invade answered. Please listen closely and follow each point as we examine natural barriers, troop movement constraints, and defensive choke points. I'll describe how deserts, the Nile corridor, and coastal exposure shape military options, and why logistics become the deciding factor. Stay with me for clear examples and simple analogies that make these concepts easy to picture and remember. In this video, I will explain why is Egypt impossible to invade answered. Now focus on logistics and how supply chains break under desert conditions, local actions, and long distances. I'll walk through fuel, water, and resupply needs, and why lack of nearby ports or bases slows any advance dramatically. Understanding logistics clarifies that victory is often won by supply control rather than just battlefield wins, so keep that in mind. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and keep content coming. Quick recommendation. I've been using a set of leak-proof meal prep containers that make daily logistics feel trivial, which reminded me of supply efficiency in military plans. Check the description for the link and other deals. Your clicks help the channel, and now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will explain why is Egypt impossible to invade answered. Next, let's explore defensive advantages like choke points, terrain familiarity, and integrated surveillance that favor defenders. I'll explain how prepared positions and local knowledge force attackers into costly frontal assaults, while air and naval assets expose movements early. These combined measures make occupation expensive and risky, shifting the balance toward defense even when attackers have superior numbers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.